There we go, that's better. Now I have another 8 minutes and 47 seconds added on to that, that 20 seconds I had left it added 8 minutes and 27 seconds worth of fireworks. Because I took out some video. I might have missed a giant red one, but that's okay, it's worth it. I get more fireworks. I like that. Boom! 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 You know it's gonna be big and special when it goes up really high. The higher it is, the bigger and more special it is. There, I like these ones. Because they do this. Now wait for it. This is why you can't be in the water, because all of that red hot ash gets in the water and it makes the water really hot. And if you go out too far, you might get hit by one of them and you get burnt really bad.
Just there for that. It's also
I know, but that's why they make sure, especially to keep you away from the water during fireworks, especially.
Can we go smoke people when the fireworks light them up?
Can we go now? We've been watching this for like 6 minutes now.
Baby, utilize some patience. I love you.
Okay, look. That was a nice one.
Scary.
Yeah, it was. The ones that make the clouds, the smoke turn red are just terrifying when they do that. If they literally make smoke turn red, they can't be good.
What the fuck are they doing?
Who? What are who doing? These people be insane. You're not supposed to be on the grass.
People here.
And there are so many people.